On February 3, 2021, at approximately 1:38 p.m., Las Cruces police officer J. Herrera used his lights and siren and initiated a traffic stop on a white Chevrolet Tahoe, which he observed being operated erratically and at a high rate of speed. The vehicle was headed northbound on Solano Drive.
Yellow Colorado, Sam, Correction John, Sam, Queen, 993. Get the Doña Park Apartments. How you doing, bud? What was that all about, man?
Oh, my bad, sir. Shit.
Yeah. That sounds like, really, dude, I'm right here, man.
After detecting the odor of marijuana and observing that the front passenger appeared to be nervous, as well as finding that Orozco was armed with a knife, Officer Herrera requested a backup officer to his location. Officer Herrera then obtained Orozco's identification and returned to his unit to run Orozco for warrants. The officer learned that Orozco was wanted on a felony warrant for his arrest.
Joe 785, positive 29.
75.
On Joel Orozco, out of DA's office. Do you want me to confirm?
Well, yeah, but what is it for, or bond, or dangerous?
It's for failure to appear, or code 16. In possession of firearms, extraditable nationwide, 5,000 secured bond. Also, controlled substance and tampering with evidence.
Except for, what's the deal status?
Suspended only. ID card.
Officer Herrera returned to place Orozco under arrest. Officer Herrera asked Orozco to shut off his vehicle, which he did, and advised Orozco to step out due to the warrant for his arrest. Officer Herrera began opening Orozco's door to take him into custody as Orozco simultaneously turned on his vehicle. Officer Herrera then attempted to prevent Orozco's escape. However, Orozco was able to place the vehicle into gear, at which time he began to drag Officer Herrera, who was partially inside the vehicle. Backup Officer M. Carrera perceived a deadly threat to Officer Herrera by being run over or rammed into a utility pole nearby. The officer discharged his firearm to stop Orozco.
Alright, yeah, just go and give him a call back.
48, dude.
Coming back over here. Okay.
Hey, bro, do me a favor, turn off the car real quick. Okay, need for you to step out, brother.
Alright, then. Can I call my boss real quick?
D8 1040 48.
What happened?
You have a warrant for your arrest, bud.
Why?
Let's step out real quick.
This is a view from Officer Carrera's body-worn camera.
Is this your ride that you had just called right now? A black Escape?
I don't know.
Or a Mazda?
No, they have a Nissan.
All right, yeah, just go ahead and give him a call back. Tell him not to worry about coming back over here.
Okay.
Hey, bro, do me a favor, turn off the car real quick. Okay, need for you to step out, brother.
Alright, then. Can I call my boss
D,
real quick?
DA 1040 48.
What
Pretty good.
happened?
You have a warrant for your arrest, bud.
Why?
Let's step out real quick.